What's happening, what's happening, good people? It's your man, Ron Jacob, your brother from another mother. Listen, what's up? Happy Wednesday to you, all right? We out here in the elements, feeling kind of good. Got my turtleneck on, got my backpack on. It's like I'm a backpack boy. Listen, got a word of the day for you, y'all. Know I ain't been at you in a couple days, but I've been recuperating from a long drive over the holiday weekend. But listen, here's the word of the day for you. Make it do what it do Wednesday. This is Make It Do What It Do Wednesday. Listen, whatever it is that you do it well. Do it expeditious. Do it awesome. Do it live. Do it real big. But make it do what it do. And do what you do well. Whatever it is that you do, if you make tacos well. If you teach well. If you preach well. If you run well. But whatever you do, finish it. Start it. Get to the middle of it, get to the end of it, finish it. Make it happen today. Do big things today. Make your boss proud today. Do something special. Make your teachers, your parents, whatever you doing, do it real big. Because this Do What It Do Wednesday. Make it do what it do, all right? Love y'all, and I'm out. And I'm back. And I'm out back. All right, I'll holler at you. Have a blessed day. Make it do what it do.